Welcome to Make It Easy. This video has brought to you the Kashmiri street-style Lotus Stem Fritters, traditionally called as Nadir Monji. Prepared in a batter of rice flour and served with a spicy chutney, Nadir Monji finds a special place in the hearts of Kashmiris. So get along to watch this yummy recipe. Take 2 lotus stems, peel them, wash them, and cut them into finger-sized strips. Now in a bowl, take 2 cups of rice flour or chawal ka atta, add half a cup of besan or gram flour, add salt to taste, to this add 1 teaspoon of ajwain, now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, now add half a cup of water and mix it. Keep adding water to make a smooth paste, which is not too thin and not too thick. It should be of flowing consistency. Here I have added 1½ cups of water to make a perfect batter. To give it the feeling of street food, I have added some orange food color to this batter. This step is totally avoidable, but here I have used some orange food color dissolved in water, and now I am adding this little by little to give this batter the perfect color. Now the batter is ready. Now add the lotus stem strips and coat them with the batter evenly. Now let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In a pan, take oil for frying. As the oil is too hot, drop the nadru strips one by one. At this point, you can turn the flame to medium-high. The color is perfect. Now I'll take out the nadru strips. Our fritters are ready to be served. Now as the Nadir Monji are ready, we will make a side dish, the street style radish chutney or mooli ki chutney that is usually served with these lotus stem fritters or Nadir Monji. To make the mooli ki chutney, I have taken one radish, grated it and squeezed all the water. Now it's completely dry. Plus I have taken 2 tablespoons of sliced onions and 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Add salt to taste. Now add half a teaspoon of red chilli. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And mix all the 3 ingredients well. The street style mooli ki chutney is ready to be served. This spicy chutney is ready to be savored with the hot Kashmiri street style Nadir Monji or Kashmiri street style Lotus Stem Fritters. It goes equally well with the onion pakoras. Give it a try. Serve these fritters hot with the spicy radish chutney and roll into the flavors of street food of Kashmir. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Hit the like button and share with your friends and leave your valuable feedback in the comments below.